We're going on a trip in your favorite rocket ship, motherfuckers. So this is what happens on a proper Sunday nga walay kuryente. We're stuck sa kanipaan. You know what? It's weird kay maka-vlog ko dre. Kay walay laing tawo. Di ko maulaw. No? Kita niya kog mga unsa-unsa dre. That'll be fun. Anyways, I'll try to find my way out. See you on the other side. Bye. So here's the situation. Wala na ko kabalog asa ko. I don't know where to go. Fuck. Here's the situation. Ko kalabang cause I have things. Should I wing it or go? Looking out. Noise.
Sa party na'y handang butiti. Wami balong, di ay kadung.
Hey, to my pants club. Asong gubat and asong lupa. Wala, gihapon guys. Sino gihapon ta? Pero padayon, hehe. Here's what I have to go through. Nice kaya nga river guys, bro. May kubit. Zero. Hopefully na ito atong gibilin. Para dito. Here's our bait and wait setup. Murag guwa man gihapon. Hala, zero. Hi. Spot number 3. Dapat sunset pala na. Here, the infamous Tambobo. That's G. It's a fucking barracuda eating a little fish. Nice. Kakuha ni ko isda. Nice.
Titi.